How to fix pending payment issue on Netflix. In this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue with pending payments on Netflix application. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly, what you need to do is simply go to your Netflix account, log in and then go to your profile. There you will see the option of payment and click on it, and then you can pay the payment which is pending. Now if you are having some trouble to pay that payment, you simply need to type Netflix payment, and then when you click on the first link of Netflix, you will be directed to this page. Once you scroll below, you will see the payment issue already resolved on Netflix by default. So if you have any issue related to that, click on it and you will see an article on it. If still your problem is not solved, scroll at the bottom of the page and you will see the option of Contact Us. Once you click on it, report your problem and Netflix will get back to you in no time. So that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.